Hello everyone, it is Tuesday. I have decided to start doing our team meetings live but public for other people to see. So even if you're not part of Paparazzi, or if you are part of Paparazzi and you guys, want to join in, go for it. Maybe some people might be on the fence about joining the team or having a party or something like that, and maybe this will help answer some questions. I have just two topics that I wanted to go over, and then I want to give you guys a chance to ask questions and to talk about your goals for this month. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to talk about is just something so simple, but on Facebook in the groups. So we have Facebook parties in groups. So when you're in Facebook, in the app itself, at the top of the page, okay, right here. So if you're looking on your phone and you're in the app, up here, when you're in your group, it says search in Tanya's VIP group, shopping group. So you tap on that, search in, okay, and then you're able to look up like names or look up something that might have been posted, a couple months ago, and you don't want to scroll all the way through and look for it. It's an amazing feature, and I use it for every single party. I personally post 2 pictures for each post. So let's say I'm posting a picture of a ring. I post a picture of the ring on the hand that they take a picture of that, and I post a picture of just the ring itself so that they have an idea, because when you post the picture of just the ring, it's bigger. You can't really see what it looks like on someone. So the closest thing that I can give to people is to post the picture of someone wearing it. What I'm finding out is that if let's say you're posting both of those pictures and they comment on one of those 2 pictures, not the post, when you do a search for that person's name, it will not come up. And that is no good. That's how I go through, and I was wondering, what the heck was going on? Why are you not showing me these people's names? Why are you not showing me what they're buying? That's why, because I'm posting multiple pictures, even though it's not an album, because albums are the same way. I hardly get notifications for albums, and if someone posts or comments on a picture in an album, I might get notified, but when I go back to search, if it's a party, I won't be able to find it. So now I only post 1 picture and 1 at a time. If people are buying, I have people buying at night while I'm sleeping, and if I go in and I know who bought stuff, I just click right on the search bar and I type their name and they all come up, and then I save those pictures into their folders. And the reason why I do that is because then I know what they like. I want to be able to reference back. That way when I post things in my VIP group, or even in a party, I tag the person that I bought that for. And I didn't necessarily buy it for them. I bought it because I know that they would like it. And I'm showing them that I'm paying attention to what they like. And they like that. That's when you get your loyal customers, is when you pay attention to what they're buying, and their favorite color and their favorite type of jewelry and things like that. So that's why I keep folders. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good night, and I love you all, and I'll see you guys later.